find lots of recipes circulating the internet for itchy scalp home remedies. But do any of them actually work? Today's video will discuss 3 home remedies for itchy scalp, tried and tested. Before you watch this video, please take a moment. Just subscribe our YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button, then tap the bell icon so you will be the first to know when we post new videos daily. Number 1. Tea tree oil. This oil is known for natural antifungal, anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. Some people advocate applying it to the scalp to provide itch relief. However, while tea tree oil can provide a temporary cooling sensation, it won't get rid of the main cause of itchy scalp, dandruff, unless you use a high concentration and leave it in contact with the scalp. Unfortunately, since tea tree extract is an oil, this can leave a greasy residue on your hair. Many people also find the scent of tea tree oil unpleasant. Pure tea tree oil can irritate the skin and eyes and should be diluted before use. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is also believed to have anti-inflammatory properties and is thought to balance the pH levels of the scalp, which some people believe helps to stop itching. In reality, apple cider vinegar is much more acidic than normal skin, so leaving it on doesn't balance pH. It actually makes your skin too acidic. Vinegar should not be left in contact with the skin for very long because of the potential for skin irritation. Number 3. Aloe vera. This is known to be very moisturizing and gentle on the skin. That's why it's found in lots of products for sensitive skin like your purely gentle shampoo. Aloe vera gel can give you an immediate cooling and soothing sensation, reducing that uncomfortable scalp itch. But again, the effects are only temporary because it doesn't tackle the root cause of the itch. How to tackle itch with a shampoo? Our instant relief shampoo cools on contact, providing relief from an itchy scalp straight away. It tackles dandruff and associated itch fast and gives long-lasting protection. Plus, it's pH balanced and gentle on hair, so it's perfect for everyday use. Have you ever tried these home remedies for itchy scalp? Let me know in our comment section below.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. For more daily tips, subscribe to our channel below. Thank you.